What's going on, everyone? KWolf here, back with you with another crash analysis video. Each day or each week, depending on how long I get these out, I'm going to be showing you another crash video, and we're going to be analyzing it and breaking it down and just making fun of everyone that crashes. These are, again, this is worth noting, these are amateurs, not professionals, which makes these even better and all the more funnier. So let's get into crash number 2. Okay, festival. Probably a lot of beer cans involved, I'm going to say. And then this guy right here, let's back this up a little bit. Okay. Basketball shorts, a t-shirt, no helmet, mind you. And are those Crocs on his feet? Man's wearing Crocs. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm just going to back this up so we get this whole thing at speed. Okay, I'm just going to chalk this up to, this is one of those moments where the guy said, hold my beer, watch this. Let's just go back through this again. Okay, wait, what was that? And, okay, so he's got to be drunk or he's never been on a motorcycle before, because watch this again. As soon as he hits the ramp, right, look at this, right here. Okay, he's not even ready. Let's just look at the body positioning, right? Okay, technically his elbows are up, but they're not exactly like in ready position, you know, riding position. He's just tall enough where it works. But watch right here. See this? Look right in between the sign. He's down here now. So he's just boom, right there. So then he bounces up right here. Okay, front wheel's off the ground, right there. Front wheel's either off of the board, the makeshift board. Okay, so he's out of control right here. Okay, so they put a board leading up to a camper, and okay, you can see the one on the back side. What does bees mean? Okay, so this isn't in America, right? This isn't in North America. He's off. Okay, now he's just trying to go freestyle. Let's just go frame by frame here. He's off. He hit this thing entirely too fast. He's probably having a great time. His buddies are probably thinking, oh, crap. And boom, right down to the ground. Oh, look at his leg. Look at his right leg. I can't... If that thing isn't broken, that's amazing. He came back. Now he's sitting up so it didn't kill him. Let's just go through this again. He hit that with entirely too much speed. Entirely too much speed. One more time. He screwed himself up. He had to have screwed himself up somehow. He hit that thing entirely too hard. What was your grand plan, dude? Like, what did you think was going to happen? Look at the landing ramp. Is that seriously being held up by just like a couple of flimsy... What are those? That's not even... those look like 1x3s or something. Those don't even look like 2x4s on this video. So, like, what was your grand plan here, dude? Either way, that makes for one heck of a crash video. Alright. That's your definition of hold my beer and watch this. So, alright. So that's what we're going to call this thing. Hold my beer. So, thanks for watching this video. Check back in a day or two for the next one. And I'll see you guys then. Check back some of the older videos. And I'll see you on the next time.